Swastiastu. Om Awignam Astu Nama Sidam. The honorable judges and Hindu fellows, first of all, I would like to be grateful to Ida Sayang Widiwasa for his blessing and mercy, so I could stand here to deliver a religious speech entitled Living in Harmony with Tri Hita Karana Concept. Ladies and gentlemen, when we talk about happiness, there are a few things appeared in our minds. Having lots of money, being popular, having good family, or maybe good social status. But I think to achieve a happiness, not only we have in our life, but also we feel in our heart and have a good relation with each other. And how to achieve our happiness? Being a child of Hindu is very extraordinary for me because we have simple ways to do to achieve our happiness. Do you know it? Yes, it is Tri Hita Karana. Hinduism believes that there are 3 ways to do to achieve our happiness. My beloved Hindu fellows, it is only 3 ways, so I think it's easy for us to achieve our happiness. There is a philosophy behind the harmony. Tri Hita Karana. Tri means 3, Hita means prosperity, and Karana means the causes. In Sanskrit terminology, Tri Hita Karana is the 3 elements that manifest happiness or 3 factors that create physical and spiritual prosperity. It is a universal strategy to preserve the balance, compatibility, and the harmony of life on Mother Earth. The Tri Hita Karana concept consists of the 3 major wisdoms. They are, first, Parhayangan. Ladies and gentlemen, Parhayangan comes from the word Hyang, which means God or Ida Sayang Widi. In simple meaning, Parhayangan means place to close with God. In this place, we try to close with God. So, in this concept, teach us how to get happiness by close with God. The people of Hindu have so many ways to do to close with God. For example, every day, we chant Tri Sanja 3 times a day. In the evening, we offering rarapan to grateful to Ida Sayang Widiwasa for his blessing. Every Galungan, Kuningan, Purnama, Tilam, Gajang Kliwon, and etc., we always offering Banten as a symbol of our devotions to Ida Sayang Widi and the way to close with God. And why we should close to Ida Sayang Widiwasa? Yes, Parhayangan concept tries to create the awareness that each individual in this planet has to believe that they are part of God and God is inside of themselves, in the hope that people will be able to counter their minds, emotions towards their spiritual living in this earth. Like in Bhagavad Gita 9.14, it is written, Sata tam kirtaya tomam yantan tascha trasvaratata namasyantas janam patya nitya ukta upsate. Means that always do it just to praise of me and do the devoted task endlessly. You who adore me endlessly and with eternal devotions are close to me. If you close with God, God will bless you and you will feel happy. For example, when I have examination, I wasn't only study hard, but also I pray to God, so God bless me. And I get the best score, and I feel happy about that. Ladies and gentlemen, next is Pawangan. My beloved Hindu fellows, Pawangan or Wong means humans. Pawangan means harmony with humans. This harmony is very necessary because humans always live in a group. We can't manage our problem alone. For example, start from we're born, we always asking for help to our parents so we can grow. So, it is very important to maintain the harmony between fellows of human beings, one of which is to be tolerant, open-minded, and keep away from the negative thinking. Even though our physically different, our culture is different, but we are still human beings created by God. And God does not cite only one particular group of people. Therefore, let's maintain the harmony between each others. Keep your words and deeds so many people will love you. If many people love you, the more friends you have. If you have more friends, I think many people will help you if you have difficulties in your life. It means of happiness. In Manusmriti 2.138, it is written, Satyam bruyat priyam bruyam, na bruyam satyam, priyam bruyam, esa dharma sanatana. Means that speak appropriately. Do not ever say rude words if the words are right. Do not ever say nicely if it is a lie. It's a mortal ethic rule or sanatana dharma. In other words, we can say, respect first, then you'll get respected. Our word become a protector. So control your word and respect to each others if you want to live in harmony. Ladies and gentlemen, Pawangan is not only harmony with humans, but also another creatures of God. Humans always do Banan Saiban every morning after our parents' cooking. It can create the harmony between humans and another creator of God. Tumpak Uduh is making a good relation with plants. We're grateful for them because we can get energy from them. Ladies and gentlemen, last but not least is Palemahan. Palemahan wisdom represents the harmony between the human and the natural sphere. And how should we do that? Humans should follow the rules of Trinity, to having a thought that we are part of Mother Nature, to remember that we live in this planet, we can breathe, we get income, able to drive a fancy car, and enjoy the luxury 7-star hotels. You can name all the good things that we enjoy which until now have been supported unconditionally by the earth. And the last is to remember that if we continually take every single part of nature without giving back, it will be drained and it will affect to our future's life. Ladies and gentlemen, we have seen that there was a various natural disasters, such as hurricanes, tsunamis, volcanic eruptions, and the last is happened several months ago in Nusa Tenggara Timur is Cyclone Seroja, are evidence of nature anger. Nature has its own mechanisms to support the creatures that depends on it, like a mother who breastfeeds her child. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take care of our earth by protecting our environment cleanly so we will live safely. Like in Vedas 8, don't disturb environment. Like in Bhagavad Gita 12.15, it is written, Yasman no dvisjate loko, loka no dvisjate chaya, harsa marsan bayot wakir, mukto yasa chame priya. Means that who by who's not disturb the word and disturb the word that free of joy, fear, and this is the beloved. In other words, we can say, don't disturb the world. You will get happiness. As a Hindu, I believe if we can apply the Trihitakana concept in our daily life, this world will be proper. There will be a mutual respect. There will be no differences. The environment will be safe. People will more care to each other. And the last, we will live in peace and harmony. If we live in peace and harmony, of course, we will get happiness. Thank you very much for your kind of attention. Om Santi 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 Om.